Hello, beautiful, and welcome to Makeup. Oh, P-Love is back. You couldn't see it, but I did like a leg kick kind of thing. I'm not flexible. That is right, your favorite makeup goddess is back, and during lockdown, I'm not going to lie, my last brain cell definitely went yite. Yes, P-Love, she definitely went yite. So because of this, I wanted to see what the makeup look would look like if I filled up some water balloons with some face paints and I went pop all over my face, and they were called Whiz Pop Bang. So like I feel as though they are going to have a good, like beautiful, just magnificent payoff, if you will. So let's just keep this short and sweet. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that kind of dumb stuff. And without further ado, let's just get on to the makeups. So for the base level of makeups, I'm just going to be doing like my go-to thing, like just the essentials, just a little bit of makeups, just to make sure that the body paint in the water balloons like pops from my face with all of the colors. So I will leave like an actual tutorial of the look that I'm doing in the description below, because like I don't feel as though I should keep repeating myself on this channel, otherwise people are going to be like, come on! You're probably already saying that. So I'm just going to be going through with the essentials. Scene Stick foundation, blush, highlight, contour, eyeshadows, mascara, liquid eyeliner, brows. I think that's it. You know, just like 9, 10 items if I forgot one. Like that is a small list, yes? So I'm going to be seeing how long this actually takes me. So we are going to be seeing how fast P-Love can actually do this makeups. So, P-Love, are we ready? Yes. Are we set? Yes. Go! Scene Stick is the first step. Where is the brush? Ah! I'm losing valuable time! Just need some Scene Stick to make sure that all of the things, I think the Scene Stick is on its last legs, because that definitely felt like a scratchy over there. Okay, and then we just need to blend this all together. The only thing that I'm not going to be putting on during this part of the makeups is the eye feathers, because I want to put them on after the paint goes pop on my face. Is this tutorial going to look good at the end of it? That is such a fun sound. I like that sound. Oh, I'm wearing nose ring. Put makeup on it now, clean it off after. I'm a person who does not put in precautions to avoid mistakes. I'm a person that fixes mistakes once they are done. Forethought? What is that? Hindsight? Oh, I don't think the word is forethought. Mother, what word am I thinking of? What is forethought a word? You are my thesaurus at the moment, mother. Because you have so much intelligence and eloquence and class.
Forethought is to anticipate, plan.
P-Love is a genius. Forethought is to anticipate and plan. Come at me, English teachers. I'm coming for your cake. Oh, mother, could you imagine me being an English teacher? Even mother is laughing in background because she knows that that would be the worst. Okay, then for shadows we have conspiracy, so I'm going to be mixing like my Peels, Tentacon, Dyed Root Beer, and just a theory, just on everything. So my Peels on like a big fluffy duffy brush, like a good big fluffy duffy brush. That way it cuts down like the blending time by like a half. 8 minutes and 45 seconds, what? I'm not even doing anything extravagant. This is just browns. My face at the moment is just like 50 shades of beige. Why are you laughing, mother? It is a good analogy. It is a good metaphor. Metaphor? Simile. Come at me, English teachers. I have a vein on my eye. If I hold my breath. Oh, now P-Love is dizzy. Oh, I did not like that. I'm going to sit on ground. I thought that would make my vein pop out, but it made my head all dizzy. That hurt. Okay, it looks good. And then just a theory on my finger, and then just like rub that bad boy on. Still have to have some shimmer, even though this is natural. That was way too much, P-Love. Okay, we are going to have to put in more effort buffing this bad boy out. Alright, then range for the highlight. Okay, eye chalk done. And we are at how many minutes? 13 minutes and 42 seconds. Where is the time going? Next step is to like flick to right hope for best, so I'm going to be doing like the quickest but like the like flick of my life. So if you're not new here, hello, welcome back, baby cakes. I'm so happy to have you here again. Pray for my safety. If you are new here, hello, welcome to chaos. This is probably one of my most like kind of videos that exists. Welcome, hope you enjoy yourself here. When it comes to liner, you flick, drag, hope for best. and pray for my safety, especially with how speedy I'm trying to do this. Oh, she is looking chunky. There's nothing wrong with being a little bit chunky, but also it is not what you want for eyeliner. Oh, that is complete. Okay, sorry. For those of you who could not understand me right then, I said, oh, that was a good flick. Left eye, you absolute goblin. Now I have to fix you. Left eye is as good as she's going to get, so I'm going to go on with the brows because I'm doing the lashes and the eye feathers like after I do the like. It just, okay, it is not working, but after I like pop the balloons on my face, that is when I'm doing the lashes. And then blush, pigment, and my peels. Okay, and then highlighter, and I can use a viewfinder to put down where I think it should be. That is stupid. I'm using the mirror, and then I will put it on my face where I, oh, that is, okay, so that was a lot more highlighter than was intended. That is fine. Peel off can fix. Natural peel off. Natural. Last step for the moment is just lip, so I'm just going to use the Mr. Star Weirdo. That way the colors like really pop, and like also I feel as though a black lip will go with like almost any kind of look. So like, yay! Okay. Oh, it is now on hand. Damn it. Okay, done. Where's the timer? Go to the timer. Peel off is not as speedy as she thought. Almost 40 minutes for the... But now that the base level of makeups is done in an unreasonable amount of time, we get to go with the water balloons. I'm so excited. Okay, so... I have like a drawer full of like the body paint, so I'm going to pick a few colors and then also fill up a water balloon with like some glittery kind of stuff and just some air, and then we will get to the popping. So I've got to, I don't actually know how to put these into the balloon, but like I will find a way. It is okay. Oh, that is one tough boy. Oh. Okay, I think I have an air pump somewhere. But I'm just going to get myself some body paint. That way it is safe for like it to go on my face. Not in my eyes, but like still on my face nonetheless. And then I'm just going to try and scrape off some of this bad boy. How do I get this in the balloon? Oh. Oh, no. 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 Oh. Go in. Pillow is genius. So there is like the littlest, I put it up to the light. Maybe you can see like the little. And then I have like a little squeezy bottle with some water, so I'm just going to add this in so that way you can turn the like solidity into liquidy. And then air pump. Teeth, the natural scissors. Stop sucking in the water. Like, why do you suck in but you don't blow out? It has air in it. Why? Just don't inhale. You will get paint. It is a lot easier to do it off camera, but same system of solid, liquid, air, shake, don't pop it, peel off. And then we should be fine! Okay, so the paint balloons are now done, and I'm going to try and up the ante of this and going with a glitter balloon. So this one, I don't want any water in it, I just want glitter, and I want the air. So, I don't know how this one is going to go. Oh my gosh, it is working. It's working! She does it! Yes! Okay, so now I have all my painty balloons and my glittery balloon, so now we just get to set up like where we are going to pop them on my face! And dear brother gets to have the honors.
Shut up!
Okay, am I still in frame?
Yes.
Still in frame? Yeah. Still in frame. Okay, I have 3 cameras, 2 lights, monkey, stand there, splatter wheel. I don't know how this is going to work out.
It's going to go on your nose for sure.
It's going, oh, I didn't even think about my nose.
3, 2, 1.
tastes like red.
It's pink.
I think peel off is color blind.
3, 2, 1.
That didn't even go on my face.
The wind blew it.
It is all in air.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my. That missed!
It went on my,
to pop.
it went on my tongue.
3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1.
I feel like a seagull just like did the biggest dump on my face. Like I'm at the beach, I'm in the sun, everything is beautiful, and then the seagull just shat all over my face.
3, 2, 1.
That weight on my neck. I don't think I should open my eyes.
No.
Oh, here we go. This was such a bad idea. Why? Who let me do? Mother! Why did you let me do this? Mother, wait, you were there. Thought you were over there. You were there? Oh, okay. I'm not even. Where's the camera? Where is up, down, left, right?
Camera's there.
Oh. Am I in frame now?
There.
Excellent. I'm going to try and clean this all up. And oh, actually, peasant, fan me. Is this not the life? I don't even know what color that was, but I'm going to say it tasted like green.
It was.
Ah! Nailed it! There is the aftermath of the splattering, and you can see exactly where my head was. My eyes are finally open, and I'm just going to put on some mascara and some eye feathers so that we can see the final look, and Monkey's absolute trash of an attempt at helping me with the paint splattering. Okay, so I popped on the eye feathers, and we're just going to slide on screen, and I'm going to reveal the look. And Monkey's handiwork in a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. In my brain, I thought, oh, this is going to look so stunning, so aesthetic, so ooh la la sensation. And instead, I look like a child has eaten its weight in some of that rainbow ice cream and has just gone like bleh, all over my face. I have looked a right mess on this YouTube channel so many times, and none of them have turned out this badly. I think more paint went in my hair and my mouth than it did my face. In my head, I was like, oh, this is going to look so cute, so magnificent. Everyone's going to be like, wow, why have I not tried this before? And this is why. My face at the moment is lying. No one thought that this was a good idea except for Pilaf. And how did that work out, Pilaf? Not good. Oh, my tummy hurts. Okay, but now that the makeup is on, the balloons have been popped. And because Pilaf is a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube, there's only one thing left to do, and that is a sexy, a slow move. Boom. It's worse close up. Look at that. Look at that. I look like I cried rainbows, but not in the cute way. I look like I cry like the Hollywood tear versus like the legitimate tear. The Hollywood like my heart is broken versus like Makeups is on, paint is splattered, sexy slow-mos are done, and that means that it is it for today's video. Which is always the saddest part, and I hate this part. I don't want to say goodbye. You're all too beautiful and amazing, and I want to stay here forever. But with this video ending, it means that I can go off and start making other videos, which is a good thing, which means that I can be back soon. I will be back Mondays, Thursdays, premiere videos. That way I get to live chat in the comments. But either way, regardless of if your makeups look sane and is a good idea, or it is like this and a bad idea, or it is natural, or it is more extravagant, more polished, just more whatever. No matter how your makeup looks, you're fabulous. Either way, does not matter. You are fabulous because beauty is from the inside out. And you know who needs to know this? The world! The world needs to know this, metaphorically and spiritually at the moment, because like lockdown, quarantine, stay inside, like protect yourself, protect other people. But spiritually and metaphorically, go out into the world and show them how stunning you are, how fabulous you are, how magnificent you are in every shape, way, and form, because they deserve to know. Because if they do not know, their lives meaningless, obsolete, doo-doo. Their lives are nothing without knowing how stunning and amazing you are. Because like, and I know this for a fact. And how do I know this for a fact? Because I know how stunning and fabulous you are. And my life just, the possibilities, the horizons just opened up in front of me. P-Love's life got so much better as soon as she knew. And soon as she met every single one of you and got to experience your just fabulousness and magnificence in every shape, way, and form. P-Love's life got so much better because I got to see your beauty. That is how I know this for a fact. Because I got to see your beauty and my life just got so much better. So their lives will get better, yes? It is fact, it is proven with P-Love. But while you're out there in the world showing them how stunning and fabulous you are, do not forget what dear mother said. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel. I wanted like a big glitter flick, but that well